Hi everyone, and welcome to this in-depth video on Stable Diffusion AI. Today, we're going to take a comprehensive look at this groundbreaking AI technology that enables the creation of realistic and stunning images. Introduction. In recent years, the realm of artificial intelligence has witnessed remarkable advancements, and among them, Stable Diffusion AI stands out as a fascinating and innovative breakthrough in the field of image generation. While it shares some similarities with traditional generative adversarial networks, GANs, it ventures into uncharted territory by embracing a novel and powerful approach known as the diffusion technique. Understanding generative adversarial networks, GANs. To comprehend Stable Diffusion AI better, it's essential to grasp the basics of GANs. GANs are a class of AI algorithms that generate images by pitting two neural networks against each other, the generator and the discriminator. Generative adversarial networks have been at the forefront of AI-driven image generation, pitting a generator against a discriminator in a battle for image realism. The generator is responsible for producing new images, while the discriminator's role is to evaluate the realism of these images. As they compete, the generator endeavors to create images that the discriminator cannot distinguish from real images. However, Stable Diffusion AI chooses a different path. It deviates from the conventional GAN architecture and adopts a diffusion-based methodology, marking a paradigm shift in how we perceive and create images. What is diffusion technique? Before we delve into Stable Diffusion AI, let's understand the concept of diffusion. Diffusion involves adding noise to an image gradually. In contrast, denoising is the process of removing noise from an image. In image generation, diffusion takes a unique approach. Instead of directly creating an image, it starts with a noisy image and progressively removes the noise. The outcome is an image that exhibits both realism and creativity. What is Stable Diffusion AI? Stable Diffusion AI represents a diffusion-based GAN that sets itself apart by being more stable and efficient compared to traditional GANs. The key differentiator is the application of a revolutionary algorithm called the Stable Diffusion process. The Stable Diffusion process introduces greater stability by reducing the likelihood of getting trapped in local minima during the image generation process. Additionally, it enhances computational efficiency, requiring fewer resources. Distinctiveness of Stable Diffusion AI among GANs. Stable Diffusion AI distinguishes itself from traditional GANs in several key aspects. Firstly, it adopts diffusion as the image generation method, whereas other GANs rely on adversarial training. Secondly, Stable Diffusion AI exhibits higher stability and efficiency. The unique Stable Diffusion process ensures that the system is less likely to encounter stagnation in local minima, ultimately leading to more reliable and smoother performance. Additionally, the reduced computational demands make it a resource-friendly solution. How does Stable Diffusion AI work? Let's now explore how Stable Diffusion AI operates. The process starts with a noisy image, and the diffusion model takes control, gradually eliminating the noise. This diffusion model is essentially a neural network trained on an extensive dataset comprising various images, ranging from realistic photographs to imaginative illustrations. This comprehensive dataset empowers the diffusion model to learn the art of noise removal while maintaining the realism and creativity of the generated images. Generating realistic and creative images. Stable Diffusion AI's unique approach to diffusion allows it to produce images that strike a balance between realism and creativity. As the noise is gradually removed, the image evolves and becomes more lifelike. Simultaneously, this progression allows the image to explore different possibilities, resulting in highly creative and imaginative outputs. The power of the Stable Diffusion process. The Stable Diffusion process, the heart of Stable Diffusion AI, is a revolutionary algorithm that enables greater stability and efficiency in image generation. But how does it achieve this? Let's take a closer look. One of the challenges with traditional GANs lies in their training process, which can be prone to instability. This occurs when the generator and discriminator get stuck in a tug-of-war, leading to slow convergence or even divergence. However, Stable Diffusion AI's diffusion-based approach mitigates these issues. The Stable Diffusion process involves introducing noise to an image and then progressively removing it. This step-by-step noise reduction allows for smoother optimization and reduces the chances of getting trapped in local minima during training. As a result, Stable Diffusion AI consistently delivers more reliable and refined image generation, setting it apart from traditional GANs. Innovation in computational efficiency. In the world of AI, efficiency is key. Stable Diffusion AI shines not only in stability but also in computational efficiency. By employing the Stable Diffusion process, the AI system demands fewer computational resources during image generation. The reduced computational load makes Stable Diffusion AI more accessible, even on devices with limited processing power. This efficiency opens up possibilities for real-time applications, enabling the generation of stunning and realistic images without taxing hardware capabilities. The role of the diffusion model. Central to the success of Stable Diffusion AI is the diffusion model. This neural network, trained on a diverse dataset of images, learns the art of noise removal while preserving the realism and creativity of the generated images. The extensive dataset ensures that the diffusion model comprehensively grasps the intricacies of noise removal, making it adept at handling a wide range of image types, from lifelike photographs to imaginative illustrations. The diffusion model's ability to adapt and learn from the dataset ultimately translates into impressive image generation capabilities. The intersection of realism and creativity. Stable Diffusion AI's diffusion-based approach offers a unique intersection of realism and creativity in image generation. As the noise is gradually removed from the image, it evolves into a more lifelike representation. Simultaneously, this gradual transformation allows the image to explore diverse possibilities, paving the way for highly creative and imaginative outputs. The result is a captivating blend of photorealism and artistic flair, making Stable Diffusion AI an exciting tool for artists, designers, and creative minds seeking to push the boundaries of visual expression. Examples and applications. The versatility of Stable Diffusion AI enables its application across various domains. It can be employed to generate an array of images, encompassing lifelike photographs, imaginative illustrations, and even animated sequences. Moreover, Stable Diffusion AI can cater to specific needs, like producing images for marketing materials or training machine learning models. Conclusion. As we conclude this video, we can appreciate the potential impact of Stable Diffusion AI on the world of image generation. Its capacity to create realistic and imaginative visuals for various purposes heralds a new era in AI-powered image generation. I hope this detailed explanation of Stable Diffusion AI has shed light on its fascinating capabilities. Should you have any further queries or want to explore the topic further, feel free to ask. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Stable Diffusion AI.